Hi, I'm Isaac. Today I'm just going to tell you a bit about the Des Gosling Mobility pedal extensions. These are a simple little product of ours which are designed for people of shorter stature who struggle to reach the pedals in their car while still being seated comfortably and being a good distance from the steering wheel. So these are adjustable anything from about an inch to 4.5 inches of extension. They're also adjustable in angle, both the pedal face and the pedal arm, so that just helps you to get the perfect position for you in your car, whatever your particular need is. We've got kits for all different types of pedal, so they suit really any vehicle that's out there. We've got a set fitted in the car here, so I'll just show you these, talk you through a few of the benefits. This is an automatic, so we've just got the brake and the accelerator pedal. You get a nice smooth motion of these as you would with the original pedals because they mount nice and high up the pedal arm. You've also got the rubber cover on these, which is great in wet conditions, stops your foot from slipping off, means you get nice operation of them. They're also fully tested, so they're nice and safe and secure. If you're stopping in an emergency, the last thing you want is your pedals to start moving around under you. So these are really nice and secure. You can really trust them as you would an original pedal. And once you've been driving with them for a while, you tend not to even notice that the extensions are there. It just feels like you're driving with the original pedals. So like I say, a lot of people, when we see them, sat too close to the steering wheel. Now, the minimum recommended distance is actually about 10 inches from the steering wheel, and that's for safety. In the event of a crash, if the airbag was to deploy and you're sat too close, that's going to be dangerous for you to be sat that close to the wheel. So getting a comfortable position from the wheel and still being able to reach the pedals is really important. That's where the pedal extensions are really useful. A lot of people say, oh, what about if I've got a second driver, they're a lot taller, can I take them off? You can't remove them, they're fixed in place for that security and safety reason. But the good thing about the short pedal extensions is a second driver can very easily just adjust the column, adjust the seat, and then they can drive the vehicle as normal with the pedal extensions. It's not a problem for someone taller like myself, really easy to still drive the car. And then when someone shorter gets back in, adjust everything back and you're perfectly ready to go in your car. So that's really nice, a little bit about the pedal extensions there. And if you are interested, please get in touch.